All right, everybody, welcome back to AI Newbie Hub. Um, I'm just a regular guy out here trying to figure out AI and hoping that you want to come along for the ride with me. Um, you can call me Don, you can call me Suns Fever 83, call me about whatever you want. Just don't call me late for dinner. All right, guys, today we have got a special one. We're going to be comparing three of the major AI assistants. We're going to compare ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. And uh, I'm not big into coding. I'm not. I'm not a coder. The only coding I can do is literally what these agents can do at the moment. So I'm not going into the coding side of any of this. This is just going to be sheerly on things that would benefit a content creator. So if you're looking for coding help, unfortunately, this ain't gonna be it. Cause if I ask it to write a code, I can plug it in, but I don't know what the code's saying yet. So I'm trying to learn Python and start from there. But right now, we're going to skip the coding and we're just going to stick with content creation. So with that said, we're going to go ahead and we're going to compare. We're going to go and look at the three different sites that we're going to use. The first one is ChatGPT. Now, the free version does give you a lot. I mean, you can go in there, you can do your research, you can uh, uh, write. If you wanted to read something that you wrote and make it better, it can do that. It can't do the deep research. I do believe it is online, so if you're asking a question, it should be able to answer that. All of these programs have tiers. You have your free tier, and then of course you have your paid. So for $20 a month, you can get everything in the free. You get extended messaging, file uploads. You can create task projects and custom GPTs, which are really nice. I use those all the time. Uh, you do have access to video generation, image generation, because you'll have access to Dolly. And that's with the plus. This also integrates well with like Canva and such. And if you got like, overflowing wallets, you can always go with the Pro for $200 a month, which will give you a lot more than what I need to do with AI right now. We'll work on the $200 one, but right now we ain't doing all that. So with that, I do have the plus. This is the one that I use all the time, so I do have that. Uh, Gemini, on the other hand, they have a lot that is free to they have a lot that is free to use. Of course, it's Gemini. It's from Google, so they'll have the capabilities to get online. They also have image generation. If you want to pay them $20 a month, you can get their newest version of AI's new features. Uh, I don't ever use that many tokens, not yet. So, plus it integrates with Gmail Docs, Sheets, and such. You get Notebook LM Plus, 2 terabytes of storage, and other benefits. So that's if you wanted to uh, go with the full version of Gemini, you would get quite a bit. But right now, you can use 2.0, you can use deep research, you can do personalization. If you go to personalization, it uses your search history, and you can literally say, "Hey, what do you know about me?" And it will tell you. I mean, it'll say, according to your search history, here's what I believe. So again, the free version does plenty as far as research or as a writing and things. But if you want to do a little more, Gemini is there. And the big difference is Gemini is supposed to be able to integrate with all the Google services. They do have an issue at times with YouTube. In other words, if you have a YouTube video and you say, hey, I want you to summarize this video for me, and you provide the link, there's a lot of times Gemini will kick back and say, that's an invalid link. I can't see that. I can't give you a summary. Can you give me all the information to summarize? It's sort of weird how it don't integrate with YouTube fully, but I imagine eventually they're going to fix that. It is now online also, which is sort of odd that it wasn't. So it can actually search up, up to date current information. So that is Google. Claude is the third and last. Now, you got Claude Sonnet, Haku, that's Pro model. Thinking Mode Normal Extended. You got Opus and Claude. Those are all pros. So with Claude, you can either, and I always do the monthly because I don't see paying for a year unless you know you're going to use it a year. And with as quick as it's changing, I don't know that I'd pay for anything as far as AI for a year, because it could either be so far past, or it could be, technology changes too quick. I wouldn't do that. But you get access to additional Claude models. It'll organize your documents and chats with projects. So they'll do projects like ChatGPT. You can have the extended thinking mode and new features. So that's if you wanted to pay for Claude. Again, $20 a month. All of them for their pay versions are the same. It's all $20 a month. So, with that being said, what we're going to do here, I got my little spreadsheet out here. We are going to take 4 prompts. We're going to have each of them write a professional email to a previous boss asking for a job referral. And then we're going to brainstorm, create 5 YouTube video ideas about AI tools for beginners. Content creation, we're going to have it write a YouTube video script intro for a beginner AI channel just like this one. And then real time, we're going to see if it'll give us 5 current AI news releases from the week. And we're going to see what they do here. So we're going to start with the first one. We're going to start with new chat. Put that there. We're going to go over here. Put that one there. And then we'll go into Claude and we will do that. Okay, so now ChatGPT, hi, whatever your name is. Hope you're doing well. I wanted to reach out because I'm currently exploring new job opportunities. Now, I'm applying for a role that aligns closely with my skills. Given our time working together, and thought you might be willing to provide a referral. If you're open to it, I'd be happy to thank you for considering. Okay, that one don't sound too bad. Hope this finds you well. I'm writing to you because I'm currently, as you know, I greatly value my time under your leadership. I learned tremendous amount. I'm currently targeting giving you extended knowledge. I've attached my resume. I'm confident. I seem very busy. Okay, that one sounds pretty good too. I'll write a professional. Your boss. I hope it's fine. I've been following continued steps and was pleased to see the recent mention. I'm reaching out because I'm currently exploring new career in target fields. Target would be grateful during my tenure to. Oh well. They all wrote 3 really good emails, but I'm just going by my feelings, and if I were to put one of those out, I would give that one to Gemini. Okay. So that's just my opinion. That would be a Gemini thing. Now, we're going to start a new search. Create 5 YouTube video ideas about beginners. or AI tools for beginners, about beginners. What am I saying? New chat. I changed chat that way it don't carry over the same. It don't carry over the same, information from the previous chat. So start here. 5 video ideals. Top 3 free AI tools for absolute beginners. Just getting started. Blow my mind. So it gives a hook. It tells you which tools, how to turn your text into art with AI. Crayon Leonardo. Night Cafe. Cloning, ElevenLabs voice makeover. I write YouTube, ChatGPT, Notion AI, writer, build a talking AI in under 10 minutes. Hey, I've done this one, but I didn't use HeyGen or Cynthia. But yeah, okay, those are not bad ideas, not bad at all. AI for absolutely. Video focus on accessible free AI tools. Introduce what AI showcase 5 free tools. Okay, I mean, this one is unlike creativity for. I mean, it breaks down. Uh, it breaks it the ideals down, but it don't really give me the hook, the tools, and all that. So, don't know about it. Okay, AI tool. Hey, this definitely bottom. I don't even like how this is written out. But for this one, I would give that to ChatGPT because with where I'm working on it, ChatGPT is the way it has. Here's the title because I can always have it. I can always recreate that. Uh, there's a hook and it tells me what I'm going to be using, and that way I can say, hey, I want to use, um, let's say, I want to use build talking avatar, but I'm going to go with number 5. But instead of HeyGen and Cynthia, I'd use ElevenLabs and uh, Leonardo. So I definitely give that one to ChatGPT. Okay. Third thing we're going to do, we're going to make a script. Let's get a new AI. And let's get a new chat. And let's get a new chat. I don't even know how much I have with Claude. I don't use Claude a lot. It's supposed to be great for writing, like a book and such. Here's a script written the same you've been using. See, this is the thing. I use this, so it's already telling me it's pulling in AI Newbie Hub. I have got over here. I've got projects with it in here, and I create everything pretty much with AI, with the exception of it gives me a script. It tells me what I'm supposed to say, but I can't do that. It just no. So it'll tell me, hey, we're going to talk about this, and then I'm going to ramble on, and everybody's going to be like, oh, he just talks too much. But that's just the way it is. So here is a script. Hey, what's up, creator? Welcome back to AI Newbie Hub, the place where we learn, build, and create with AI one step at a time. If you're new here, don't worry, no tech degree required. We break it all down so anyone can follow. Hey, we're checking out a tool that might just blow your mind. Whether you're making videos, writing blogs, or just curious what this whole AI thing can do. Let's dive in. And then it tells me, cut to a screen recording or tool demo. Okay, so video opens for visually engaging mantra. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. If you see, and this is another thing, I couldn't even get Gemini to tell me what my YouTube channel was about. And that was a little disheartening considering Google owns YouTube and Gemini, but Gemini could not talk to YouTube. It does now and then. You gotta be very careful with the prompt. I don't know what I'm doing with the prompt when it tells me no, but that's again, ChatGPT says, hey, this channel you're working on, here's your intro. Okay, hey, welcome to the channel. If you've ever been curious about AI, Okay, you're in the right place. I'm Don with Suns Fever 83, and I'm excited about it. I just dive in, visually shifts. Think of the challenge friendly guy. Da, da, da. He's uh, see, I also got ChatGPT to take a lot of this out because I didn't really need that. I don't lean forward. I don't do all the fall out of the chair but I've never seen words before like that. That's sort of crazy. So I'm not going to get hyper excited about shit unless it's hyper exciting. So, have you ever written code? Say you have Gemini write a document or code that I can edit. It does have Canvas too, right there. So you can change your codes in there just like with ChatGPT. So, and this series will be covering what it does, the difference between machine learning, AI is used. So if you're ready to unlock the mystery, so that one's okay. I don't mind that one. I'll create right here, Claude. I'm not even reading it. That's just garbage. I don't know what it's doing. I don't like Claude. So anyway, I should have went. I just gonna say this. I should have done Grok instead of Claude. But um, there you go. Claude is just welcome to AI Simplified, where we break down complex AI concepts into bite size. I'm understand we're going to demystify artificial intelligence. Whether you're completely new or you're just in today's video, we're diving into topic. One of the, it's very vague. I don't like it. So we're gonna go over here. Let me look at this. It's sort of cheating. I do like what ChatGPT or what Gemini did here, but I'm gonna give it here to simple. I want it simple. I need it to tell me. Look, guys, I've got 3 screens. I'm gonna show you. Screen 1, Screen 2, Screen 3. That's all I got. I don't need all this fading. You haven't seen a bunch of graphics. So to program Gemini to understand all that would take time, and I don't know that it can do that. It's almost like you got to tell it each time. So with that, with what I do, I'm giving that to ChatGPT. Our final thing that we're going to do is we're going to ask it for give me 5 current AI news releases from the week. We're going to do that one. We're going to do new chat. And then we're going to do new chat. And then we're going to start here. ElevenLabs. Okay, there we go. See? So ElevenLabs launches T1 reasoning model. NVIDIA's GTC conference. I heard about that. Meta accused of using pirated books to train. Yep, I knew about that one. AI outperforms supercomputers on weather prediction. I didn't know that, but that's pretty good. I like that one. AI-powered robot guide dog developed by Scottish engineers. I've seen some of those dogs. Those are pretty bad. So down here, it gives me my sources. I can pull up the sources over here. And I said, okay, I pulled up all these. I pulled up 5 of these. And that's not too bad. It's not too bad. And it's challenging to give you a definitive top 5 based on recent trends. Advanced in LLMs. News surrounding this. For example, okay, so this one, give me 5 current AI news releases. News releases. I didn't say tell me what's been going on for the last 10 years. This is a problem I have with Gemini. It is made by the company that made the most extensive search engine in the world. Now, granted, it's just an ad station now, but they did generate the greatest search engine in the world. And I asked them about news releases, and it gives me some vague things happening. This has been happening for a decade now. Okay, well, we got 4.5. Uh, it's not telling you. And they say, hey, go to these places. Why are you asking me? Go here. I don't like that. I don't like that. I do not have real time access to current news, and can only go up to October 24. So that one is out. And with that, I give that ChatGPT. Now, with that, I am not saying, because in my opinion, okay, in my opinion, I like ChatGPT. I use it every day, okay? Um, it helps me brainstorm. I comes up with my titles. It tells me. It says, okay. I say, hey, all I got to do is tell it at this point. I can just go in here and I can go to my AI Newbie Hub, and I can go to Longform and say, create me a script for, which my next script will be for the 26th. Create me a script for the 26th, and it will kick me out. It will kick me out my description or my script right here. I mean, it tells me everything I need to do, the full script. And I got a program like that. I got in this, I can put documents for each project. So this is just AI Newbie Hub. Everything in this folder here is literally just about AI Newbie Hub. Long form graphic design. I can sit there and I can say, hey, how's this thumbnail? And it will tell me it's visually strong, what's working, what to improve, and give me a final verdict. I can ask it, say, hey, I uploaded this calendar. Yeah, or I said I need a printable calendar. It gave me one. So, in my opinion, for content creation, ChatGPT is it right now. Now, I've heard Claude is really good at writing. You want to write a book, go to Claude. I mean, that is just my understanding. Is if you want to write a book, use Claude. It can write long books. Pay the $20 a month, you can write you a novel, and it will help you with every step of the way. If you want to do deep research, well, I can't say because if I'm doing deep research, I'm going to use Madness. Uh, if, if you run a business and you've got a bunch of Google Docs and a bunch of Google Sheets, spreadsheets, and you're using a calendar and you need to integrate them all. Hey, I need to reference this paper with this spreadsheet, well, and put it, extract this information and put it on the calendar for it so I can have a meeting. Gemini will do all that. How? Don't ask me, because that's a lot further. ChatGPT, I can upload information to it. I can say, hey, look at this PDF, tell me what it's about. I can ask it to create create an image of a knight in shining armor riding a dragon over the ocean. And and it will come up with this. I can ask ChatGPT. Okay, okay. I can ask ChatGPT, and you can't even see that. Which, anyway, there you go. There is what I just created. Look at that. And that was prompt. Create an image of a knight in shining armor riding a dragon over the ocean. That is what. That's ChatGPT. I like it. I use it. It keeps me organized as well as I can be. So, in my opinion, I would say out of my testing, just what we've done here, ChatGPT won. I thought Gemini wrote an excellent professional email. And that's what I'm talking about. Gemini does have its use cases, a lot of them. And most of them are on a business type end that as a small content creator, I don't have to. It don't pertain to me at the moment. I'm hoping that I hope that in the near future it does. But right now, it don't pertain to me, so it's sort of irrelevant. But With that, um, it's a little bit of a highlight of what these things do. Um, so try them all out. Try them before. Don't go out and spend money on any of them until you try them. There are limitations, but you can try enough of it, any of them, to find out if you like it. Claude, I mean, to me, this is great for certain aspects, but it don't do anything good for me. So I can try it. I tried it free, came up with answers I didn't like. There you go. Gemini has a whole bunch of free stuff in it, including if you go, you can do Image FX, which is another Google AI studio, which is the pictures, just not all integrated yet, but I'm sure they're working on that. And then what I call the gold standard is ChatGPT. I mean, you can do deep research. You schedule. I've got a task scheduled every day to tell me stock prices. So every day, week, when the stock market opens and closes, it gives me my prices. You've got fast reasonings, O3s. I don't use these as much. I don't need to. Again, beyond my scope of what I need. What I need is to do what I did. So I hope this is at least somewhat useful. Uh, if you learned anything, hit like, subscribe, comment, uh, and leave in a comment which one that you use, which one you prefer, or if you got a question about them, ask. I will probably use AI to answer the AI question, because I tell you what, I use ChatGPT more than I use Google search now. I can get the same information, and it's without the ads. So with that said, we're going to end it here. I hope you guys have a excellent day. And until then, we will catch you next time.